FreshBooks offers a comprehensive suite of features designed to simplify the financial management of your business. Its intuitive interface, focus on invoicing and time tracking, and helpful expense management tools make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to streamline their financial processes and get paid faster. While it might not have the advanced accounting features of more complex software, its simplicity and ease of use are its greatest strengths, making it accessible to business owners without extensive accounting knowledge. If you're seeking a user-friendly solution to take control of your business finances, FreshBooks is definitely worth exploring. As an accounting software expert, I've seen countless tools designed to manage the financial intricacies of running a business. Among these, FreshBooks stands out for its user-friendly approach and its focus on the specific needs of service-based businesses, freelancers, and small teams. If you're looking for a way to streamline your invoicing, track your time, manage expenses, and gain a clear picture of your financial health, FreshBooks might just be the breath of fresh air your business needs. Let's dive into the core functionalities of FreshBooks and explore how it can simplify your financial life, even if you're not an accounting whiz. Effortless invoicing, getting paid faster. At its heart, FreshBooks excels at simplifying the often tedious process of creating and sending invoices. Forget about clunky spreadsheets or generic document templates. FreshBooks allows you to create professional-looking invoices with your branding in minutes. Here's how it works. Customizable templates. You can choose from a variety of clean and modern invoice templates that you can customize with your logo, colors, and specific business information. This ensures your invoices look professional and reinforce your brand identity. Easy itemization. Adding line items for your services or products is a breeze. You can easily input descriptions, quantities, rates, and even apply taxes and discounts. FreshBooks remembers your frequently used items, saving you time on future invoices. Recurring invoices. For clients you bill regularly, FreshBooks allows you to set up recurring invoices that are automatically generated and sent on a schedule you define, e.g., weekly, monthly. This is a huge time saver for subscription-based businesses or those with retainer agreements. Payment options. FreshBooks integrates with various payment gateways, allowing your clients to pay you online via credit card, debit card, or even ACH transfer. Offering multiple payment options makes it more convenient for clients to pay you, ultimately leading to faster payments. Automated reminders. Let's face it, chasing overdue invoices is never fun. FreshBooks can automatically send polite reminders to clients who haven't paid by the due date, freeing up your time and improving your cash flow. Invoice tracking. You can easily track the status of your invoices, whether they've been sent, viewed, or paid. This gives you a clear overview of your outstanding payments and helps you identify any potential issues early on. Time tracking made simple. Bill accurately for your hours. For businesses that bill by the hour, accurate time tracking is crucial for profitability. FreshBooks offers intuitive time tracking features that make it easy to record your billable hours. Key time tracking features include timer. You can start and stop timers as you work on different projects or tasks. This ensures that every billable minute is captured accurately. Manual time entry. If you forget to start a timer or need to log time spent offline, you can easily enter your hours manually. Project-based tracking. You can track time against specific projects and clients, allowing you to see exactly how much time you've spent on each. This is invaluable for project management and client billing. Team time tracking. If you have a team, FreshBooks allows you to track the time of all team members, providing a centralized view of billable hours across your organization. Timesheet reporting. FreshBooks generates detailed timesheet reports that you can use for invoicing and analyzing team productivity. Expense management. Keep track of your spending. Keeping track of business expenses is essential for understanding your profitability and for tax purposes. FreshBooks simplifies expense management with features that make it easy to record and categorize your outgoings. Here's how FreshBooks helps with expense management. Manual expense entry. You can easily enter expenses manually, including details like the vendor, date, amount, and category. Receipt scanning. With the FreshBooks mobile app, you can snap photos of your receipts, and the software will automatically extract the relevant information. This eliminates the need for manual data entry and keeps your records organized. 1. FasterCapital.com. FasterCapital.com. Bank reconciliation. You can connect your bank accounts and credit cards to FreshBooks, allowing you to easily reconcile your transactions and ensure that your records are accurate. Expense categorization. FreshBooks allows you to categorize your expenses, making it easier to track where your money is going and to generate insightful financial reports. Billable expenses. You can easily mark expenses as billable and add them to client invoices, ensuring that you're reimbursed for project-related costs.